Mama, 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 mama. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is the Ulta haul from the 20% off. Oh my gosh. I clearly didn't need to back to back, but we are gonna go in and I'm gonna show you what I got. All right, so the first product I purchased is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I have not tried this before. It has been catching my eye every time I walk into Ulta because all the Ultas have Morphe in it right now, and I'm like, why haven't I tried this? And yeah, I just want to see how it compares to my other setting sprays. But we can always, you know, change it up a little bit. This is a little cheaper. I think it's $15. You do get 2.8 fluid ounces, and I'm really excited to see how this works. I am gonna do a video testing out all these new products, so stay tuned for that. So I need a new foundation, so I picked up the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I have not tried this yet. I love NYX. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands that I gravitate towards, and I just haven't had a chance to try this yet. So getting a tan gave me the excuse of buying new foundation, so I went with this one. The next product is the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I picked up the shade Natural Beige. I have not tried this yet. I love Tarte Shape Tape. That's the one I use a lot, and I also use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer as well. So I wanted to see how the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer compares to the other concealers I already use. I'm really excited to see this one. I know Hailey Barber uses it a lot. I love her so much. I love Too Faced as well. I'm a huge fan of the Born This Way foundation, so I want to see how this concealer works. I have very high hopes for this, and I just hope I picked up the right shade. The next product, I am really excited for this product. I was lucky to find a Beauty Bakery lipstick. So like, only one of my Ultas around me have this, and I about like shot a brick, and some people are just looking at me like, it's a lipstick, but it's more than a lipstick. I see this all over Instagram, and I'm really excited to try it for myself. I picked up the shade Cranberry Stiletto. How cute is that? And I just felt like this shade was calling me. Oh, I like the wand. It is such a pretty color for fall. I'm really, really excited. Everything else was sold out. They only had some of these liquid lipsticks, and I was like, I will take what I can get. I only purchased one shade just to test it out, and if I like it, I'm going to, of course, purchase some more. The next product is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and I got the shade Snow Flushed. Like, oh, I just thought this was so cute, and I was like, okay, I have to have this because it's just a little bow. I was so like gravitated towards the color. They also had the one in gold, but this one kind of has like a pink shimmer to it, and we're just gonna do a swatch. Ooh, yeah, I like that a lot. Oh yeah, I am really excited to test that out. It's like a very like iridescent color we got. I did not know that the Morphe holiday collection was coming to Ulta, especially in stores. I don't think I've seen it online yet, so I was really, really excited to see this. This is the Morphe S8 High Impact Highlighting Palette, and this is what the inside looks like. Very pretty. So we'll just do a couple swatches. So we have the shade Ultraviolet, Galactic, Comet, and Meteor. Ooh, I like all of these shades so much. We'll just add them next to the MAC one. Ooh, I really like that periwinkle. The periwinkle is definitely my favorite. Here we go. The other ones are there, I'm just a little tan. And then moving on to the bottom row, we have Aurora, we have Trance, Big Bang, and Mirage. Ooh. These colors are so much fun. I love them all. I think these are very fun. I'm still very drawn to that periwinkle one. Well, this Beauty Bakery lipstick is definitely on there. And then lastly, I picked up the Molten Magic 12-piece lip topper collection. I haven't tried lip toppers before, so we are going to give it a shot. I'm really excited for these. And you get 12 of them. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with, ooh, I don't know how to say it. It looks like Shawnace, maybe? Let me know how you're supposed to say it. I'm sorry. Ooh, that's very pretty. These are gonna be a lot of fun. I'm so excited. We have Bewitched. Oh, I love it. So these just remind me of like glosses, but they might be a little bit more metallic or shimmery. This one has a lot of glitter, and it's the shade Hypnotized. I can see why. Ooh, yeah. I feel like I can just put that on all tops of any lip color. We have Mind Reader. Ooh, it's just like bam, gold. I love it. These are fun. I'm really enjoying swatching them. And then we have Abracadabra. It's very similar to Hypnotized. Ooh, yeah, love those. Loving the really glittery ones. And then Begooling. I'm sorry, I can't. Ooh, but it's another fun one, just pink. Okay, I'm really impressed. I was very nervous about these. I still have 6 more, but I am loving these. And just more shades, I'm just really happy. Fortune Teller is the next one. These are so much fun. Oh, that one's cool. And then we have Mesmerize. Ooh, yes. And then Alchemy. All right, I'm really happy I bought these because I almost passed. And then Jinx, reminds me of Pokemon, kind of similar color. And Charm. I feel like that one's supposed to go over any of them. And I'm just like, I would put all of them on top of whatever. The last shade is Enchanting. Like I said, I was really hesitant on buying these, and I'm so happy that I purchased them because I love them all. Especially these really like intense ones right there. I feel like I can put any like lip shade on, and one of these is gonna complement it so well. I think you might be able to wear these alone. Yeah, pop on your bare lips or layer over lipsticks for a customized look. So I'm really excited to try them alone and with lipsticks. So this was my haul. I really hope you enjoyed what I purchased. Like I said, I'm going to do a follow-up video on applying these makeup products. I'm really excited because it's all new for me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Ulta, if you like hauls, unboxings, Morphe, Too Faced, any brand that I picked up. Let me know what you got in the 20% sale. And yeah, please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I'll see you in that follow-up haul.